meatballs, man.
Holly, I'm hungry.
Oh, who's ready for a mukbang? So, hey y'all.
We haven't eaten all day.
We haven't eaten all day. I feel sick, throw up, faint. What's next? Hospital? I think
Probably.
so. No, probably a toilet after we eat all this. Cool lighting, I love this for me. Hello. Yeah, we're doing a mukbang.
I'm not even. That's even worse.
Y'all know what it is. You spill tea, you eat, you chit chat in the pit pot. That's Zoe, that's Char shit. Y'all know the gang situation.
I don't think they know about the shark shit, but they do now.
Well, that's Char shit.
Guys.
So, we just picked up some ticket to Taco Bell.
We did. I'll show you.
Oh, no. Keep the
Big
surprise.
bag. It's a big bag. It's a bag.
They'll click off. And now we're going to McDick's to get some things that you can't know. All right. You gotta wait.
Well, I want to give her gas money. No. But Charlotte's hard to Guys, wait, I don't have my seatbelt on. This is illegal.
Oh yeah, just say it. Just say it. Say it louder for the people in the back. Zoe.
I don't have my seatbelt on.
Beep. Better put a sense on your mouth. You know what editing that is?
Yeah, you better put a sensor on that.
Okay.
Georgia's phone number is 519.
I'm excited.
Oh my god, we're waiting in this big ass line.
It's fine. We're gonna put it in park.
It's
And
not okay.
So there's like 15 people in front of us.
there's a lot.
Can't dig into the.
No, we can't.
No. This fish doesn't know how to go mukbangy.
Can you see it like that? Oh.
America's Got Talent signer.
They look ridiculous.
Hawaiian break. I'm begging. Sorry guys, it's copyright. Copyright rap and pit pat. Sorry. Oh my god.
The other day, I was told that they had it at the one on
I want to talk about something. Apparently, a corporation made you pay for a sweet and sour sauce from McDick's. I'm offended.
Oh, you're fucking weird.
Literally, corporation can like, honestly. I'm a good girl. I'm not gonna say it. I just want to show you that there's an ET staring at us, and I don't know how I feel about it.
Like, imagine if they had company. Okay,
Sir, no.
Oh my.
Okay, we got our food, and I'm like so excited. I'm so excited. I want to eat like my Taco Bella. Oh my Taco Bella, my chicken. That's why you wear seat belts. I was gonna put it on. My ankle's throbbing.
So let's chow down, boys. I'm gonna have my cinnamon delight.
Oh.
This is our bucket of fries.
So here's the tea.
There's a lot of.
I don't like anyone.
But we like to keep our circle small.
We like to keep our circle small.
Circle small. Sweet and sour sauce.
What's fries?
That's why I asked for 12 sweet and sour
So
sauces.
good. Ew. Show them the inside. That's the whole point. What is that, Georgia?
That is some more.
No, what are you eating?
A crunch wrap supreme. That was my spot for my quesada. Pop me a drink.
Yeah.
Give me a surprise. There's one I want more. Yes! Romantic. I love it. So something about Taco Bell that just makes me want to like eat it.
She's doing Vlogmas.
No.
No, she's not.
No. I'm just gonna be uploading a lot in December about December videos, Christmas. I can speak English. I swear it. Like
Nothing like a nutty Thursday.
No, watch me tonight. I'm gonna FaceTime you guys literally crying.
On the shitter.
Hold up.
I don't talk to people about tea.
This isn't romaine lettuce, is it?
No, because romaine is recalled for malaria.
No, that's E. coli.
What's romaine? Malaria.
E. coli.
Comment section below.
E. coli risk.
What's trending on Twitter? My is trending on Twitter?
What? Fuck. I got it on my... No, story time.
Never again.
Story time. I opened my Snapchat, fan Snapchat. I have a different one. Ooh, trying to figure it out. So I have a fan Snapchat, right? And, hold on, I'm gonna throw up.
No, she's
I'm okay.
not.
I scroll. I click on this name, right? Click on it. There's a penis. I was like, oh my god, so I clicked it.
Why is it spicy?
To get out, and it goes to a video of him
Jacking over jerkin.
oh my god, and I
Jerking
blocked
his jerky.
his ass
Jacking his jerkies.
so fast. Like, you don't even understand how fast I went block. It was quite traumatizing for me.
Attractive when I eat. Like, I always had that insecurity.
Oh no, you know, like school, like get this bread, let's gain this grain. We're gaining like, oh, I'm need to feel. I need a second.
Georgia, did you not find this spicy? You should DM her.
It feels like
Handle.
it feels like no. This, like 4 of those, 5.
No, you only had 3 of these because this is your last one.
I have one
can't
left.
eat another
I have
one.
2.
No, wait, no, I can't do it.
What do you want?
A cup of water drink. I'm thirsty and I'm gonna throw up. Do y'all drink at all? It's you,
Georgia,
you
no,
gallon of
There's still 2 more drinks.
He's a whale. She's like,
That's so rude.
give me one, please.
Girls at 2 in the morning when they're drunk.
Cosa che non ti caiga bene.
Actually, we still make this really full.
Chicken!
I feel the poop.
Ew!
I'm not kidding. It's not-
throw up. I'm actually gonna throw up.
Don't put that part in.
I'm going to.
No, you're not.
I'm feeling it roughly.
You looking at it all makes me want to.
Oh my god, I'm getting hot.
I'm gonna nug. Alright,
There's one nug
feast on
left.
nugs, guys.
How many nuggets did you have?
Rewind! Nugget check.
I look so much bigger than.
Okay, then I brought these 2.
Literally, boys.
I cried. Oof.
Oh.
I'm gonna throw up. I'm
Whatever.
gonna throw up.
Tell me when you kind of got
Guys, I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna throw up. Guys, I'm gonna throw up.
You got nuggets.
I'm gonna throw up. Ooh, I'm gonna throw up.
Oh.
Oh.
Just got nuggets. It's just nuggets.
I have to drive home tonight.
Oh, can I have a ride home?
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video with the gang, make sure you drop a like or unsubscribe, it's up to you.
I need to.
Did you say unsubscribe?
Peace on the streets.
Don't say that. Please. Whoa, I look rough.
All the sauces.
Make sure you turn on my notification. I don't know how to do YouTube. Okay, I love you guys. There's new videos in December. It'll be like
Falling over.
it'll be like 2 a week or whatever. So make sure you keep coming back. And
Georgia.
yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Bye.
I need to finish my cinnamon delight.
Are you kidding me?
I need to finish it. What, you'd pass it up?